up, everybody? It is day 7, and I thought this time today I would just do a weekly sort of recap and touch base on some of the things that I'm doing for the transformation book that I am reading. So, here we go. Alright, as I mentioned, I am reading Bill Phillips' transformation book, and it's like an 18-week program, and in the first week he has you answer 4 things related to heart and soul, emotions, mindset, and body, and then come up with 3 statements to answer the question for each of those. So I thought I would just share those. So the first one is heart and soul. Having looked inward to do some soul searching, what are 3 heartfelt reasons for making the decision to transform my health? The first one I put is I want to live to see my kids as kids. The second is I have put everything and everyone else first, and now I'm going to focus on myself to become the person I want to become so that I can give more longer, because I'm a giver. The third is I'm tired of being fat, feeling ashamed when I look at myself in the mirror, and tired of being tired. And I really don't care what other people think about me. It's this way. I don't like the way I look at myself in the mirror. For emotion, so in the recent days and weeks, what are the 3 most predominant inner feelings that I have been experiencing? The first one is I have experienced high blood pressure. I had a skin cancer last year and increased health concerns and a fear that my life may be cut short because of my own poor eating habits and decisions. The second is I'm embarrassed to look at myself in the mirror, and I write the narrative that it doesn't look that bad when I look at myself in the mirror, and then I see pictures of myself and I'm disgusted, I'm embarrassed, and I do not like the way I look. The third is I have failed my whole life to get my weight under control and win the battle that food has had over me all these years. So that has always been on my mind, and it's been a struggle to break that. For mindset, the 3 patterns of thinking or beliefs which may have limited my ability to change in the past are I've tried every diet on the earth and I've failed every time. And the second is I don't have any willpower over food, which I'm hoping to change that. And I enjoy socializing and cooking too much, and I tend to give into the pressures of socializing and going out and, just saying screw it, I'm just gonna eat whatever. Not a big drinker, so, drinking isn't really an issue. I drink socially, but I'm not, I don't drink every night, that kind of thing. So that's not an issue. And then body, the 3 objectively verifiable statements which reflect my physical condition right now. Well, I'm 250 pounds. And I'm not today when I, am recording this, but when I first started this, I was 250 pounds. When I weighed myself first thing in the morning before I ate, and my waist and my widest point was 42 inches. What? That's fucking crazy. Hoping to change that. My total cholesterol, I don't have all my total cholesterol, but I want it to be below the 200. And my blood pressure is around 140/90, so it's a little high on the one side, and at least right when I took it, earlier today. And so blood pressure can change, go up and down, but it's been leaning a little on the high side. So I know I need to lose some weight that will help that. And the third one is my present picture speaks for itself. So those are the 4 things that I've been sort of working on answering this last week relative to my transformations book, and I'm about halfway through the book now, and then working on each of these sections each week. So I will continue to do that, even though I'll probably be done with the book, but I'll go back to it to reference each of the things that he outlines, the things that you need to answer to get things started. So there you have it. So as a final recap on the week, I have a confession to also make, and that is that, so technically I started this 2 weeks ago, but I wasn't doing the full 75 hard. But I had started at least the diet piece of it. And I'll show you. So I'm actually down 11 pounds for the 2 weeks, which it's exciting to have already lost that. But, you know, I've still got a long ways to go. And the exercise has been great. The food's been great. And, you know, onward and upward going into week 2, which is going to be a little bit more challenging because I have a feeling that my weight is going to probably plateau a little bit, or at least my weight loss part of it, and hopefully I'll be building some muscle with the exercise and things that I've been doing. But the other thing is I'm going to try and do not as long of videos during the week because it's a lot of work to get the videos done, do the editing, all of that kind of stuff. So I'll probably do quick videos each day, and then kind of a quick update, and then do like a weekly summary at the end that's going to be a little bit longer. So yeah, so that is day 7. Day 7 is in the books. We'll see you tomorrow.